Hey everybody, today you are going to be working on the lab unit 4 micropipetting. I'm just going to go ahead and edit this real quick. No, we'll leave that. I lied. What am I doing? I should probably start re-recording, but you know what? I'm not going to. I ain't got time for that. I'm going to make a new header. This needs to say Thursday. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. Let's see. 7th period, I am probably still on an airplane somewhere over California. I'm flying to Sacramento flying to San Diego first and then Sacramento. And then I gotta drive 2 hours to my dad's house after they swap. Anyways, here's what we're doing today, team. We are doing the micropipetting lab. It is a summative grade, so let's see if I can do student view first. Oh no, I think I can do this. I'm gonna click on, no, I do need to do student view. Y'all, it's been a day. I've recorded like 6 different things. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4. All right, click on this little tabby tab here, and we are going to, it's past due. It's not past due, it's fine. We're gonna click on this in another tab, and I am going to double screen this. Do not look at how many tabs I have open. It will give you anxiety. It gives me anxiety, and I have it open. Okay, so here I've got view website. Ooh, that's not what I wanted to do. Oh, oof. Scroll down, click Start Simulation. And as you're going through this simulation, choose at which level. Complete it on level 3, that's right here. While completing the simulation, take notes on all the information. The following questions will correlate with the simulation. So, gotta do it at the same time, right? Level 3, start. All right, now, as I go through this simulation, all of the things, I am going to answer all of these questions. They go hand in hand. Notice that there are a couple of essay questions. That means they need to be graded by me. They're 20 points and 20 points. So the highest grade you can get on this is a 60 before I grade it. So if you get a 60, you did great. You got all of this bit right. I just need to go back and grade it now. Make sure you do them together, otherwise it's going to be really hard. So, and yes, you can do them together. I told the sub you can do them, and by together I mean the lab with this, like the summative with the simulation. And I think that's it. If you have any questions, please send me an email. I probably won't respond because I'm probably in the air still, having a low-key panic attack because I hate flying. Fun fact about me. It'll be fine. Everything's going to be fine. I miss you all a lot. I already miss you, even though I haven't left yet. But I didn't see you all today. And y'all are some of my favorite students in the whole wide world. So, have a great day. Make good choices. Have a great weekend. If you need me, send me an email, and I'll respond as soon as I can.